Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top packing hacks for 2024 that will change the way you travel. If you love these tips, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesome content. Let's get started. First up, packing cubes. These little guys are a game changer. Not only do they help you stay organized, but they also maximize space. Roll your clothes to fit more in each cube and keep everything neat. Rolling your clothes is the key here. It saves space and reduces wrinkles. Plus, with packing cubes, you can separate your outfits by day or category, making it super easy to find what you need. Next, travel-sized toiletry bottles. Forget about bulky shampoo and lotion containers. Invest in reusable travel bottles and label them. They fit perfectly in your carry-on and comply with TSA regulations. Here's a neat trick. Use shower caps to cover your shoes. This keeps dirt and debris away from your clothes. Simple, effective, and keeps everything clean. Compression bags are another must-have. They allow you to pack bulky items like jackets or sweaters and shrink them down to save space. Just fill the bag, seal it, and roll the air out. And don't forget a portable luggage scale. This ensures you never exceed weight limits, avoiding those pesky extra fees at the airport. Just hook it to your bag and lift. That's it for our top packing hacks for 2024. I hope these tips help you pack smarter and travel better. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels, everyone. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.